That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
What's up, guys? I am back with another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a top knot bun with weave. So right now I'm just showing you guys what I used for this, which was rubber bands, oil, bobby pins, a brush, and some weave hair. It was just some hair I installed in my hair. I put the hair links down below. But yeah, first off, I'm gonna start by brushing out all of my hair. And this was not done with freshly washed hair because I didn't feel like washing my hair and I had just took out a sew-in, but it was clean though because I didn't keep my sewing in for long because I don't know who else has this problem when you have like hair that just comes out of braids so much. No matter how tight you braid it, it's like ridiculous. But right now what I'm doing is I'm just putting some Eco Styler gel on my hair around the edges part of my hair. Now I'm gonna brush it up, and I'm trying not to talk the whole tutorial because it's pretty self-explanatory and stuff, but yeah. So right here, what I'm doing is putting my hair, prepping my hair to be put up into a top knot, a really high top knot. I like my buns to sit on top of my head, and I'm just adding a little bit more Eco Styler gel. I use the Max Hold one, and I think it's Argan Oil, one of them, or for colored hair, even though my hair isn't colored, you guys. So now I'm taking two hair ties and I'm tying it around my ponytail. I'm showing you guys the back of it. Okay, so at this point you can see that I wrapped my hair up inside of there. And now I'm brushing the hair out. Right now I'm teasing my bun downwards because I like my bun to be really messy. I'm not the type to do the really like cookie cutter or ballerina buns. I really like my buns to be super messy. So right now I'm just wrapping it and shaping it kind of like to what I want it to be. And there I had to undo it because I seen it was looking a little flat and I did not like that, so what I did was I just rewrapped it. I think I did this a couple of times, but yeah. And I don't know if you guys are wondering how I wrap this weave hair around my hair. The only thing I did was just like stack the tracks, double stack them, and I just wrapped it around. Now I'm pinning it in place right now. So when I first went in to pin it, I just pinned it in place to make sure it was staying. So now what I'm going to do is go around, after I try to shape my bun how I want it, I'm going to go around the edges of my hair and kind of like make it kind of more slick with this Edge Wax by Murray's, I think that's what it was by. I don't know. I forgot. I'll have to look on the can. It's not near me at the moment, but this stuff goes on white, but you have to like really brush it out and comb it out. It's really better if you just do this before you have it in the bun, but I like to go in afterward because I know how to blend it in. But it's better if you just do this before you put the 2 hair ties on your hair in general. So right now I'm just brushing it out. You see how it makes it look all smooth and stuff and slick, making them edges look like you got a perm but you really natural. So yes, girls, this is how you do it. This is on natural hair, by the way. I'm not permed. If you would like to know my hair texture is a 3B, 3C. I may have a little 4A, but barely. Y'all see how smooth that is? Like, girl, let's get into this. Like, this stuff is so good. Like, so good. So right now I'm just pinning up the parts that kind of came out when I was brushing it up. So that's what we gonna do. This is like really easy. Like, this bun takes like literally 5 to 6 minutes. And this video is kind of sped up, I think. And it only took me longer simply because I wasn't using a mirror. I was definitely using my camera to look at this to record. Like, so I did all of this without a mirror. So it was kind of actually really hard. So now I'm gonna go in the back of my head with some of that Murray's Edge Wax, because the back of my hair be needing some little extra get up to make it look as permed as the front, because I have the little curlies in the back sometimes. And as you can see, some of the fuzz that kind of got brushed up while I was doing that, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna pin that. Like I said, I like my bun to look messy because I feel like it just looks cute on me. The uniform buns look so weird on my head because I have a really boxed head, and it just, I don't know, it doesn't really complement my head as much as I see it on others. Some people look really good with those, but my buns gotta be messy or I cannot wear it at all. So right now I'm just tweaking it to make it look better and stuff. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pin some of the flyaways away. And guys, you see how like a lady looks, and I don't have no perm, y'all, no perm. So to me, this is like, and I didn't straighten my hair wasn't blown out, nothing. And I don't know if anybody else that has 3B 3C hair, that if they just wash their hair or they leave their hair in a style for a minute, like braid it down under a sew-in, and like, I don't know. It just kind of straightens out. I don't know. My hair is weird. If I just like get out the shower and air dry my hair, by the time I wake up in the morning, my hair is straight. Especially if I put it like in a ponytail while it's air drying. It's just weird. So y'all, this is me doing my baby hairs. And this is the completed look. This is how I like to wear my buns. Every time I have my buns, I do it a different way, but this is how I did my bun today. And my baby hairs could have been better, but this is like how I do my baby hairs. It would have been better if I did it before my makeup, but for video sakes, I did my makeup before it. But it still came out cute, you guys. If you like it, just put a thumbs up. You can comment below if you want to see any other hairstyles I can do, basically anything. I have some other bun hairstyles I think I'm going to do, but with my natural hair. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!